Finding the perfect espresso machine doesn't have to break the bank. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coffee lover, there are budget-friendly options that deliver rich, cafe-quality espresso right at home. Below are 5 of the best budget espresso machines available in the USA, affordable, reliable, and worth every sip. Number 1. Best overall, DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine. If you're searching for the perfect balance between price, quality, and usability, the DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine takes the crown. Designed with sleek stainless steel accents, it fits beautifully in any kitchen while giving you authentic barista-style espresso. Features DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine. 15-bar pump pressure for rich extraction. Compact design with durable build. Milk frother for cappuccinos and lattes. Easy to clean removable parts. Why we like it: it offers excellent value, producing cafe-style espresso without costing a fortune. The milk frother is a bonus for creamy lattes and cappuccinos. Why we don't like it: it requires a bit of practice for beginners since it's manual. If you want the best balance of affordability, quality, and versatility, the Stilosa is a top contender. Number 2. Best budget, Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. For those on a tighter budget, the Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Maker delivers surprising performance at an affordable price point. It's designed for ease of use, making it an excellent pick for beginners. Features of Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. 15-bar pump system. One-touch control panel for espresso, cappuccino, and latte. Automatic milk frother. Removable water reservoir. Why we like it: extremely beginner-friendly with push-button controls. It's quick, easy, and requires minimal effort. Why we don't like it: the machine isn't as durable as premium models and can feel a little bulky. If you're just starting your espresso journey and want something reliable yet budget-friendly, Mr. Coffee is your best bet. Number 3. Best space saver, Nespresso Essenza Mini. Living in a small apartment or dorm? The Nespresso Essenza Mini is the ultimate space saver while still brewing excellent espresso shots. Features of Nespresso Essenza Mini. Ultra-compact design, perfect for small kitchens. Uses Nespresso pods for consistent taste. Quick 25-second heat-up time. 2 programmable cup sizes. Why we like it: compact, fast, and foolproof, ideal for busy mornings. The flavor consistency is excellent thanks to Nespresso's pods. Why we don't like it: you're limited to Nespresso pods, which can get expensive over time. If counter space is an issue but you still crave barista-style espresso, the Essenza Mini is a must-have. Number 4. Upgrade that does everything, Breville Barista Express. If you're ready to step up your coffee game, the Breville Barista Express is the upgrade machine that practically does everything. It's pricier, but worth the investment for serious coffee enthusiasts. Features of Breville Barista Express. Integrated conical burr grinder. Precise espresso extraction with PID temperature control. Steam wand for microfoam milk texturing. Built-in accessories for customization. Why we like it: it's a complete espresso station in one machine, grinds, brews, and froths with precision. Why we don't like it: the learning curve is steeper, and it takes more counter space. A professional-style espresso machine at home, the Barista Express is perfect for those wanting full control and premium results. Number 5. Best automatic, Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. For coffee lovers who want delicious espresso without the effort, the Philips 3200 Series Automatic Espresso Machine is a game-changer. Features of Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. One-touch espresso, cappuccino, and latte options. Built-in ceramic grinder with 12 settings. Intuitive touch display. Automatic milk frother. Why we like it: convenience at its best, freshly ground beans, one-touch brewing, and minimal cleanup. Why we don't like it: it's more expensive than budget machines and may be overkill for casual users. If convenience is your priority, this fully automatic machine ensures cafe-quality drinks at the push of a button. Finding the best budget espresso machine depends on your needs, whether you want a manual, pod-based, or automatic setup. For overall value, the DeLonghi Stilosa is a winner. Beginners will love the Mr. Coffee, while minimalists will appreciate the Nespresso Essenza Mini. Serious coffee lovers should consider the Breville Barista Express or Philips 3200 series for next-level brewing. Start your mornings right, your perfect cup of espresso is just a click away.